very tough examination. Yes. Okay. And yes, students, am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Okay. And he also returned in 1893 and joined Baroda College as a lecturer. And he has also done so many cultural activities and learned so many languages also, like Sanskrit, Marathi, Gujarati also, and Bengali also. And basically, see, what is the main aim of? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. As a part of this main purpose of this philosophy of this Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, mainly he has focused on the spiritual experiences, and he has also emphasized on yoga and meditation also. And yes, he has also started this type of journal that is called Bande Matram. And as we have also discussed regarding this Pondicherry, है ना, कि in 1910 he went to Pondicherry and started one ashram, okay, Sri Aurobindo Ashram, okay, and basically it is now also working, and it is available in Pondicherry itself. This ashram is also available in Pondicherry, okay, and he has also spent so many years, as we have discussed, yoga, sadhana, meditation, and brahmacharya, and spiritual growth, and something like that. मतलब बहुत ऊंची लेवल की कक्षा की उनकी थिंकिंग थी. Okay, so basically Aurobindo was also transformed from a politician to the philosopher. पहले वो politician movement में थे, then he was also arrested, he remained for 1 year in jail also, and then he became philosopher. Okay, and he died in 1950. So this one is the brief life sketch which we have seen. Today we are going to learn about this philosophy of education. Basically, see, ये 4 points है which you can see on the screen itself. He has mainly focused on these 4 points: consciousness, mind, intelligence and knowledge, है ना, जिसको गुजराती में ये सब बोलते हैं चित्त, मानस, बुद्धि. Intelligence means buddhi, that is called also intellect, and supranormal faculties. So that is the highest level thinking. Okay, so basically main aid of this teacher of his conscience. Conscience means it tells us about the mind, है ना, वो mind के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, and that is also at the highest level, and it tells us about what is wrong and what is good for us. Okay, so mainly he has also mainly focused on this conscience also. Yoga, meditation, brahmacharya, spiritual experiences, and basically conscience. And conscience has mainly these 4 stages. Okay, 4 stages. It includes these 4 main points: chit, manas, buddhi, and supranormal faculties. Okay, so main philosophy of these Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, he has mainly focused on these 4 things. Okay. Now going further, according to Sri Aurobindo also, the real education is that which is provides free and creativity, mental, moral and aesthetic, Saundarya Laksi. Aesthetic means Saundarya Laksi sense. Finally, and it will lead towards the development of spiritual minds, spiritual powers, है ना, आध्यात्मिकता. Okay. So सौंदर्य लक्षी ऐसा होना चाहिए as per his philosophy. So it should be totally free. It should be based on creativity, and mental growth will be also there. Then morality should be also there, and as well as the aesthetics also growing up. Okay, so it will finally leads towards the spiritual powers. तभी वो highest level पे जाएगा. तभी ऐसा means ऐसा education होना चाहिए. So it includes all these things: creativity, free and mental growth, morality and aesthetic sense also. Okay. Now moving towards the basic principles of this educational philosophy. His philosophy is also there, mainly based on education. But in that particular education, which things needs to be kept in mind? Okay. तो मतलब एजुकेशन में कौन सी चीजें, कौन से सिद्धांत हमें ध्यान में रखने हैं एज पर हिज फिलोसॉफी। देखो हर एक की फिलोसॉफी अलग अलग है, ओके, बट एज पर श्री अरबिंदो घोष ही हैज मेनली फोकस ऑन दिस मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, मदर टंग में ही होना चाहिए। जैसे बेसिकली हम घर में जैसे बात करते हैं, वॉट एवर द लैंग्वेज यू आर यूजिंग इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ, okay, so the child can easily understand and he can also express his views in their own language, है ना। so as per this national education policy 2020 also, they also said that कि up to 5th standard the medium of instruction should be in mother tongue, whether it is Gujarati or Bengali, है ना, or Tamil or something like that, whatever the local language is there, okay, so it should be in mother tongue, okay. It should be child center also, है ना, we need to also keep in mind in the center level the child should be there, means here child center education means what here, basically we need to keep in mind the ability or capability or needs of the child कि उसमें क्या creativity है, and as per his ability and creativity we need to also make some arrangement of various types of activity based on that, okay। तो मतलब हमें child को ही ध्यान में रख के सब कुछ arrangement करना है, each and every type of activity, okay। so child center activities should be there and child center education also should be there as per his needs, okay, as per his needs also and according to the mental aptitudes, उसकी क्या इच्छा है, क्या wishes है, then as per his psychological level or as per his psychological needs of the child, okay। so basically the education also should be based on the mental aptitudes of the child and psychological needs of the child, उसको क्या basically उसको क्या सीखना है, what is the actual demand, what is the actual need of that particular child, so keep in mind all these things, the education should be formed, okay। then develop to the full latent power of the child and achieve the physical purification of child, physical purification, है ना, पवित्रता, physical purification should be there, है ना। जैसे हमने वैसे भी लास्ट स्लाइड में भी देखा, है ना, कि एज पर दिस श्री अरविंदो घोष ही मेनली फोकस ऑन द स्पिरिचुअल पावर, आध्यात्मिकता पे उन्होंने बहुत ही फोकस किया है, बहुत एम्फेसाइज किया है, ओके। सो एज पर हिज फिलॉसफी आल्सो एजुकेशन शुड बी आल्सो फ्रेम्ड इन सच अ वे दैट द फिजिकल प्योरिफिकेशन आल्सो शुड बी इंक्रीजेस ऑफ द चाइल्ड, है ना, वो भी इंक्रीज होना चाहिए, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली डेवलप कॉन्शियसनेस आल्सो, चेतना, है ना, मीन्स कॉन्शियसनेस मीन्स चेतना, means it includes also each and every senses. How many senses are there? How many senses are there basically?
6. 5, ma'am. 5.
5 or 6?
5.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
5 sense है या 6 है? Obviously 5 senses are there and yes, exactly. 5 senses are there and basically we are also saying that in the day to day life also इसकी 6th sense बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रही है ना, मीन्स उसका कुछ assumption है ना, as per we are assuming कि अगर मैंने कुछ assume कर लिया and as per this assumption whatever will be happen means उसको हम generally हमारी language में in a layman language we are also saying that है ना, इसका 6th sense बहुत अच्छा है, just like that, okay, means 5 sense beyond these 5 senses, okay, so basically we are having the 5 senses, so सब senses भी अच्छे से काम करना चाहिए and physical purification also should be there, fine। yes, obviously these train these senses of child, हर एक सेंस भी अच्छे से काम करना चाहिए as per his philosophy and develop the soul substance of an individual, आत्मा, है ना, substance, something like that, है ना, it is also related to the mind level and soul level also, soul, है ना, soul substance वो भी आत्मा से related होना चाहिए, मतलब कुछ भी आप सीखो बहुत internal भी होना चाहिए, so develop the soul substance of an individual and basically brahmacharya should be the basic foundation of this education, मतलब योगा और मेडिटेशन पे ही बहुत ही फोकस किया, योगा, मेडिटेशन एंड ब्रह्मचार्य, ओके। एंड सब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस एजुकेशन शुड बी ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत बोर नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be interesting, so it includes various types of activities also. That's why है ना, even Gujarat state government also has included so many activities in the in GSEB textbooks also. अभी तो nowadays you can also see that कि there are so many activities are also available in GSEB textbooks also. Why? Because as per this NPE also, NPE 2020 also, कि each and every education should be framed in such a way that it should be also very interesting, है ना. बच्चों को बहुत इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, बिकॉज सी children are already aware about this each and everything whatever they are watching surrounding them, but उसको interesting कैसे बनाना है. Okay, so keep in mind all these things, it should be very interesting activity. Okay, then develop all these faculties of child to make him a complete man. Complete man means here they have mainly focused on personality level, and as we have also discussed that as a part of this personality, it includes both features, external as well as internal features. External means, as you have seen that, yes, it includes dressing style and hairstyle and appearance and all, and even internal features also should be developed. कि जैसे उसका aptitude, then his attitude towards others, respect towards others, है ना, smile and everything. Okay, so that also include as a part of internal features. Okay, so there are various types of faculties of child to make him a complete man. Okay, personality should be also developed, and there should be religious thing in education, otherwise it will spread corruption. ओके, जैसे कि हमारा इंडिया, आप देखो हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे कल्चर, रीजन, देन कास्ट, क्रीड, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल. ओके, सो बेसिकली इंडिया इज अ वेरी सेक्युलरिज्म, है ना. आप बेसिकली ये सब बोलते हो ना कि इंडिया इंक्लूड्स वेरी सेक्युलरिज्म, एंड ऑल्सो वी नीड टू ऑल्सो मेनली फोकस ऑन वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ रिलीजियस लेवल ऑल्सो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एजुकेशन, है ना. अगर आप कुछ भी जैसे डे टू डे लाइफ में से अगर आप निकाल दो कोई भी रिलीजियस या कुछ फेस्टिवल्स ये सब निकाल दो, तो कैसा लगेगा आपको? बहुत बोरिंग लाइफ लगेगी, है ना. अगर आपको हॉलीडे नहीं मिलती तो कैसा लगता है ना. इट बिकम्स वेरी बोर्ड लाइफ, बोर्डम लाइफ. ओके, जैसे आपको कुछ एंजॉयमेंट ही नहीं मिलता. Fine. So, as per our religious also, there are so many festivals, and we need to also mainly focus on that also. Otherwise, it will spread various types of corruption. Okay. Now, moving towards the concept of education, as we have seen, see, so many items would be also repeated. Concept of education, it should be accordance with the needs of our real modern life. Real modern life, है ना. Real modern life means here, as we have seen that कि yes, in our ancient life, as you have also heard about that कि Guru Sishyas was there, है ना. And at that time Guru was also teaching, keep in mind, only and in a lecture method. Then you can also see that yes, as a part of this lecture method, जो भी गुरु बोलता है, शिष्यास were also listening very carefully, and है ना, वो लोग कुछ इतने questions वगैरह भी नहीं पूछते थे at that time in that ancient level, है ना. At that time the strictness was also there, but nowadays you may see that कि we need to also keep in mind the child center activities are also there, है ना. बच्चों को हमें ध्यान में रख के सब कुछ करना है ना. That's why the education should be framed in such a way that each and every activity should be included. Then we need to also keep in mind the modernity also. We need to also keep in mind their thinking level also, their needs also. बच्चों को क्या चाहिए, है ना. When you enter into the classroom also, at that time you will be also asking sometimes कि as a teacher, आज आपको पढ़ना है, सही में आपको पढ़ना है? नहीं मैम, हम तो बहुत बोर हो चुके हैं, मैम आज मत पढ़ाओ ना. सी, एट द टाइम एग्जैक्टली वी नीड टू ऑल्सो कीप इन माइंड कि दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग एट ऑल फॉर द लर्निंग, है ना. वो सीखने के लिए कुछ तैयार ही नहीं है, और आप इम्पोज कर रहे हो एज अ टीचर, है ना. सो हाउ कैन दे बी लर्न, है ना. वो नहीं सीख पाएंगे. Exactly. So at that time we need to also keep in mind their needs and their abilities also. हमें उसकी डिमांड भी देखनी है, उसकी नीड्स भी देखनी है, उसकी readiness भी देखनी है, everything. And even here we can also mainly focus on their modernity life also, कि बच्चों को अभी क्या चाहिए. Fine. Should create education should be also create in a dynamic citizen to meet the real needs of the modern complex life. कि जैसे आप देखो आजकल के citizens, it is very dynamic, है ना. So if we see that their real needs are totally very complex, so education भी ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. आजकल देखो जैसे हमारी पहले की जनरेशन देखो, बिफोर 25 ईयर्स और बिफोर 30 ईयर्स, है ना, हमारी पहले की जनरेशन कैसी थी. आज की जनरेशन अभी भी जो बच्चे बॉर्न हो रहे हैं, है ना, अभी जो मतलब विद इन दिस 5 to 10 ईयर्स, है ना, कि आज की जनरेशन देखो, हम ऐसे जनरली बोल रहे हैं कि आज की जनरेशन देखो बहुत स्मार्ट है. व्हाई वी आर सेइंग दैट, है ना, कि देखो उनको पहले से ही स्मार्टफोन ये है वो है, सब कुछ उनको पहले से ही मिल रहा है ना. तो दे आर ऑल्सो बेसिकली aware about this modernity life also, their complex life also, and keep in mind, है ना, एजुकेशन भी आजकल देखो बहुत मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो रहा है, एजुकेशन भी बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हो रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज, है ना, उनकी कुछ थिंकिंग भी ऐसी है. इवन आवर चिल्ड्रंस आर वेरी स्मार्ट ऑल्सो. So as per their ability and capability, the education also revised every 5 years or every 10 years, है ना, वो भी रिवाइज होता जा रहा है. इवन सिलेबस इज ऑल्सो रिवाइज्ड. फाइन. सो all these things we need to also keep in mind real needs of modern complex life also. Okay, so education ऐसा कुछ फ्रेम होना चाहिए as per his philosophy. Now, the aims of education, mainly as per his philosophy, what are the aims of education? Physical development and purity. Why? Because he mainly emphasized on yoga, meditation and brahmacharya. Even he has also said many experiences of on spirituality. आध्यात्मिकता पे बहुत फोकस हुआ है. Even development of senses, 5 senses are also there. And basically these senses are related with our body, है ना, body and mind and also. Okay, so all senses should be developed properly as per his philosophy. Okay, even mental development also should be increased. Mental development, as we have also discussed, as a part of this yoga and meditation, है ना. If you are doing yoga and meditation, आप क्या करते हो, योगा और मेडिटेशन जनरली क्या होता है, मेंटल डेवलपमेंट. हाउ कैन वी से दैट मेंटल डेवलपमेंट वुड बी देयर बेस्ड ऑन योगा? यस, मेंटल डेवलपमेंट.
Ma'am, it increases concentration and focus.
Yes, concentration is also there. Yes, very good. Okay, as a part of this yoga and meditation, है ना, बेसिकली आप योगा और मेडिटेशन करते हो. एट दैट टाइम व्हाट विल बी योर सिचुएशन, व्हाट विल बी द सिचुएशन ऑफ योर माइंड, व्हाट विल बी द सिचुएशन ऑफ योर बॉडी, है ना, बहुत स्ट्रेट रहता है. इवन यू कैन ऑल्सो थिंक वेरी लिबरली ऑल्सो. और कहाँ कहाँ आप घूम के आते हो, है ना. इवन यू कैन ऑल्सो थिंक बियॉन्ड योर थिंकिंग, बियॉन्ड द आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. ओके, आप क्या क्या सोचते हो, जैसे आप जनरली फेस टू फेस इतना नहीं सोच पा रहे हो, बट व्हेन यू डू सम योगा एट दैट टाइम यू विल बी ऑल्सो थिंकिंग वेरी लिबरली ऑल्सो. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम योर मेंटल डेवलपमेंट ऑल्सो शुड बी देयर. फाइन. So mental development as a part of this aim of education, mental development also should be there. Then senses development, then physical development. अगर आप योगा करते हो तो, है ना, जैसे who is the yoga guru? अभी कौन है योग गुरु, कौन है?
बाबा रामदेव.
Yes, बाबा रामदेव. यस, एग्जैक्टली, है ना. उसका आप देखो, मतलब आपने अभी कई दिन आपने कुछ ऑब्जर्व भी किया होगा कि यस एग्जैक्टली. तो बाबा रामदेव अगर वो योगा करते हैं तो मतलब उसका बॉडी और वो सब देखो, मूवमेंट देखो, मतलब कितनी मीन्स आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कि कैसे कैसे वो योगा करते हैं. फाइन. सो बेसिकली आप देखो कि एज पर हीज योगा एंड मेडिटेशन है ना, फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट ऑल्सो शुड बी देयर. और फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट तो होगा ही होगा, बट उसके साथ मेंटल डेवलपमेंट भी बहुत होगा. इवन अलॉन्ग विद दैट सेंसेस ऑल्सो वुड बी डेवलप्ड. देन मोरालिटी, नैतिकता इज ऑल्सो देयर है ना. मोरालिटी, नैतिकता भी. व्हाट डू मीन बाय मोरालिटी? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दिस वन? मोरालिटी आपने कभी सुना है? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दिस? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain this one? Morality. Who is speaking? Yes. Yes, students.
Ma'am, morality means
Sorry.
नीति
मैम
नियम.
मतलब क्या रॉन्ग है क्या राइट है पर्सन के हिसाब से.
Yes, Kruti, you are very right. है ना, what is wrong and what is right. Actually, you need to also make surety that you need to make sure that what is correct and what is wrong. Actually, है ना, that is called morality. है ना, and you need to also stick on this one also. When you speak something, when you do something, when you choose something, so at that time we need to also mainly focus on that. Okay, so development of morality is also there. Then development of conscience is also there. Conscience means it is basically related with the mind, and what is correct and what is wrong. It is also related to the mind. So basically it is also related to our thinking. Okay, and spiritual development obviously it is also related with that also. मतलब आप देखो सब में डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए. Senses, physical, mental, morality, conscience and spirituality also. Means overall development. Generally we can say that overall development is also there. Now, moving towards the curriculum. Okay, curriculum कैसा होना चाहिए? It should be interesting, as we have said that. It should be interesting also, and it includes all those subjects which promote the mental and spiritual development. Mental and spiritual development means here, and nowadays you may also see that in the schooling level, in the primary level, you may also observe that yoga education is also included. Why? Because see, if they learn this yoga education, then obviously they will also do some activity. Okay, and if they do some activity as a part of this yoga education, then obviously the mental and spiritual development also would be there. Obviously physical development also would be there, है ना. तो physical भी होगा, spiritual भी होगा, and mental development also would be there. That's why keep in mind all these things, the subjects should be also framed. Okay, then as a part of this subjects of curriculum should be also able to motivate children. उसको मोटिवेशन भी मिलना चाहिए. करिकुलम भी ऐसा होना चाहिए सो दे कैन ऑल्सो एंजॉय, है ना. उसको द करिकुलम ऑल्सो शुड बी फ्रेम इन सच अ वे दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो डू सम फन, दे कैन ऑल्सो डू सम एंजॉयमेंट, एंड द इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो वुड बी इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, और इट शुड बी ऑल्सो रिलेटेड विद द डे टू डे लाइफ ऑल्सो. दे शुड बी ऑल्सो मोटिवेट. उनको भी अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि या इट इज़ वेरी रिलेवेंट करिकुलम और बहुत अच्छा है. उसको ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि इट इज़ नॉट, यार बहुत बोरिंग है, ये कहाँ करिकुलम में ये सब्जेक्ट कहाँ से आ गया, है ना. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. देन इट शुड इन्वॉल्व द क्रिएटिविटी ऑफ लाइफ एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव कैपेसिटी ऑल्सो. कंस्ट्रक्टिव, हैव यू हर्ड दिस कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्ड? कंस्ट्रक्टिव कैपेसिटी.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you mean by that? कंस्ट्रक्टिव.
मैम कंस्ट्रक्टिव मतलब जो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिविटी, अच्छा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है.
Okay, means here we can also say that constructive capacity means you need to construct your knowledge by own self. Okay, जैसे आप अभी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में हो, you will be also learning the constructivist lesson plan also, because see, as a part of this constructivist lesson plan there would be 5 E are there, 5 E's. 5 E's है ना, मतलब फर्स्ट E will be engagement, then elaboration, then explanation, then exploration, then last will be the evaluation. Okay, मतलब वो आपको सेकंड या थर्ड सेमेस्टर में आएगा, राइट? तो आपको बहुत सारी क्लैरिटी मिलेगी कि व्हाट डू मीन बाय कंस्ट्रक्टिव कैपेसिटी. सो दे कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट देयर ओन नॉलेज by reading something or by referring some of the references or some of the books also, some of the materials also. So they can construct their own knowledge. Say for example, if I tell you ki yes students, you need to also find it out from the internet itself, है ना, so and so topic is there, है ना. मैं suppose आपको एक आज topic दे रही हूँ, okay, so at that time obviously what will you do? You will generally go for the internet, Google Baba, fine. So Google पे आप जाओगे, then you will be also finding something from Google search engine, and you will be also typing down that particular word which I am going to tell you. Then you will be searching out. Okay, so whatever the information is available, you will be just copy and paste. Okay, and then you will be also making some arrangement, the point wise, first one, second point, third point. So there will be the construction of knowledge. That is called the construction of knowledge. Means you need to also find it out something from where the search engine, or from something material also, from some books also, कि आप कहाँ से भी material search कर रहे हो. Then you will make some arrangement in a logical sequential manner. Okay, so that is called the constructive capacity. तो ऐसा कुछ आपको करिकुलम भी ऐसा होना चाहिए. सो करिकुलम ऑल्सो शुड बी फ्रेम इन सच अ वे दैट इट शुड इन्वॉल्व सम क्रिएटिविटी. आपको भी कुछ एंगेजमेंट लगे, आप भी कुछ एंगेज रहो उसमें. देन यू विल बी ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोर सम नॉलेज, यू विल बी ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन सम नॉलेज वॉट एवर यू अंडरस्टूड. सो यू विल बी राइटिंग डाउन इन योर ओन words also. Then creativity also can be enhanced. Then obviously last stage will be the evaluation. That is called the constructive capacity. So matlab as per his philosophy, the curriculum should be framed in such a way that constructive knowledge should be also enhanced. Okay, should motivate the children towards the attainment of knowledge of the world, whole world, है ना, कि जैसे उनको भी मोटिवेशन मिलना चाहिए. सब कुछ मतलब दुनिया भर का, है ना, सब कुछ, पूरी दुनिया का सब कुछ नॉलेज भी उनको मिलना चाहिए. और ओवरऑल नॉलेज शुड बी एनहांस एंड दे शुड बी मोटिवेट. ठीक, सो ये करिकुलम के बारे में हमने बात की. Now you may see that there are various types of subject in the curriculum for these different stages of education. You may see that on the screen itself कि yes, obviously primary stage, as a part of this primary stage, mother tongue, English, French, English literature, then national history, art, painting, general science, social studies, and arithmetic should be learned as a part of primary stage. You may see that as a part of secondary stage also. मदर टंग, ऑब्वियसली मदर टंग में तो होना ही चाहिए. देन इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, अरिथमेटिक, आर्ट, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, बॉटनी, फिजियोलॉजी, हेल्थ एजुकेशन, देन सोशल स्टडीज also would be there. As a part of university stage level, means as a college level, as a part of this college level, Indian and Western philosophy, then history of civilization, English literature, French literature, then psychology, philosophy, sociology, chemistry, botany, then international relation and integration also. And as a part of, if you do some vocational education, then these type of subjects should be learned as a part of this curriculum. है ना, कि mechanical, electrical, engineering, nursing and all. Okay, so this is all about vocational education and all. Okay, so these type of subjects can be taught or can be learned as a part of this curriculum at different types of stages of education as per his philosophy. है ना? Now we will talk about the methods of teaching. कैसी होनी चाहिए टीचिंग, कैसा होना चाहिए, what will be the method of teaching. Okay, so freedom of child, every time you may see that कि हर एक बार, जैसे हम पहले ही मैंने बोला है कि we need to keep in mind in the center level the child should be there. चाइल्ड सेंटर एजुकेशन. ओके, सो फ्रीडम ऑफ चाइल्ड, चाइल्ड को सब कुछ फ्रीडम होनी चाहिए. एवरीथिंग कैन बी डिसाइडेड बाय द चाइल्ड इटसेल्फ. सो चाइल्ड के बारे में ही हमें सब कुछ सोचना है, एंड देन वी कैन ऑल्सो गिव देम सम ऑफ द फ्रीडम. एंड लव एंड सिंपैथी फॉर द चाइल्ड, है ना, हमें हार्शली उनके साथ बिहेवियर नहीं करना है. And as we have already taught you, yes, when you go for the see right now as a part of this B.Ed program, right now you are in the first semester, but when you go for the second semester, you will be also teaching something to your peers and to the school students. Then at that time we will be also giving you this type of training. As a part of this training, yes, the love and sympathy should be also there. We don't make harsh behavior towards the child, है ना. सबको सबके साथ बहुत अच्छे से बात करनी है, and your attitude should be also very appropriate. Okay, then education through mother tongue, obviously up to 5th standard as for NP 2020 also, कि education through only mother tongue. But अभी देखो NP 2020 it is not now implemented, but still, है ना, कि आप देखो कि बेसिकली वी आर मेनली फोकस ऑन दिस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. फाइन, कोई गुजराती में इतना मीन्स इतना कुछ फोकस नहीं होता, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो लिविंग इन गुजरात. बट स्टिल एज पर NP 2020 ऑल्सो up to 5th standard education should be also the medium of instruction should be also in a mother tongue. Education according to the interest of the child, है ना, बहुत बार रिपीट हो चुका है. as a part of curriculum, as a part of teaching, as a part of education, as a part of aim of education, है ना, कि बहुत बार ये रिपीटेशन हो चुका है कि interest of the child, education through self experience. Obviously every time whatever we know, है ना, whatever we are having some of the knowledge regarding that particular topic or regarding that particular content, okay, so we should also share some of the self experience कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, मैं आज आपके साथ ये शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, something like that. So you can give various types of illustrations and various types of examples related to the day-to-day life also. So generally the students can easily understand whatever the concept you are going to teach in the classroom, है ना, and they can easily understand. They can also easily explain in a very easy manner, and then obviously the development also would be increased. Then emphasis of learning by doing. Learning by doing means what here? Learning by doing means you will be learning by doing something, okay, by your psychomotor skills, है ना. आप हैंड से अगर कुछ करके करोगे, then that is called the learning by doing. अगर आपको मैं orally ही सब कुछ बोल रही हूँ, then you will not be learning anything. ओके, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप कोई भी साइंस में कुछ भी है, तो मैं अगर ओरली आपको लेक्चर थ्रू समझा दूंगी, whatever I am going to explain these experiment by giving some instructions and all, कि आपको इसके बाद ऐसा करना है, इसके बाद ऐसा करना है, इसके बाद ऐसा करना है, so you will not be learning anything. But the same thing is like that if you are doing something as a part of this experiment, है ना, अगर वो करोगे, fine. So as a part of this chemistry also, as a part of this science also, so if you are doing some experiment, है ना, so at that time you will be learning very easily, fine. So mainly you should also emphasis on learning by doing. Education through cooperation, है ना, एक साथ बैठ के पढ़ो, एक साथ अभी तो मत करना, मतलब कोरोना हो जाएगा, फाइन. बट एजुकेशन थ्रू कोऑपरेशन, fine. Cooperation means here generally we can also make some arrangement of various types of activity in a group manner. So if you are doing something, if you are doing any type of activity through the group learning, okay, so you will be also learning so many things कि how will you manage, है ना, सबका attitude अलग अलग होगा, सबका behavior अलग अलग होगा. Then how can you deal with other person, how can you deal with the other thinking of the other person, है ना, सबके साथ सबको deal करना है. So everything would be learned by you. Okay, so if you are doing something through cooperation, through group activity, obviously your development also would be there, and social skill also would be there, obviously, if you are doing some activity in a group manner. Fine. So education through cooperation, नेचर ऑफ टीचर, कैसा है बच्चा. फाइन. जैसे आप लोग देखो कि हर एक साल में इफ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, कि इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर बीएड प्रोग्राम, है ना, हर एक साल में मैं देख रही हूँ कि हर एक इवन बीएड का जो भी हमारा ग्रुप होता है, जैसे कि एवरी ईयर, है ना, कि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में दिस टाइम 110 बच्चे आए. तो इस बार बैच कैसा है, whether they are very creative or whether they are very bored, है ना, कि whether they are very active, कैसा है बच्चा. तो मतलब accordingly हम भी बच्चों को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. we need to also recognize some of the talents of the students also, their nature of the students also, then accordingly we can also make some arrangement of various types of activity. Okay, so education also should be according to the nature of child, कि कैसा बच्चा है, कैसा बैच है, whether they are active or not, whether they will be able to do or not, something like that. ओके, तो मतलब टीचिंग भी ये सब हमें ध्यान में लेके सब कुछ करना है. फाइन. नाउ ये सब तो हमने देख लिया एज पर हिज फिलोसॉफी, एज अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज फिलोसॉफी. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्लेस ऑफ चाइल्ड, बच्चे का स्थान कहाँ होना चाहिए, कैसा होना चाहिए. तो बेसिकली एजुकेशन शुड सैटिस्फाई द नीड्स एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड, है ना, ये 5वीं बार रिपीट हुआ है. फाइन. मतलब उसको इंटरेस्ट तो होना ही चाहिए, एंड ही शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड, ही शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड, कि बच्चा सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए, बच्चा आराम से यहाँ से बाहर होना चाहिए. मतलब पास आउट जब भी हो, देन दे कैन ऑल्सो रिमेंबर टू अस ऑल्सो कि नहीं, ये मैडम बहुत अच्छी है, इसका बिहेवियर बहुत अच्छा है, सी इज वेरी कोऑपरेटिव, है ना. ऐसा हमें हमारी इंप्रेशन ऐसी नहीं छोड़नी है कि सी इज वेरी हार्श, है ना, एंड इवन सी इज नॉट वेरी डूइंग समथिंग सम कोऑपरेटिव एंड ऑल, है ना, कि मतलब ऐसा हमें नहीं सोचना है. we need to also think about that कि यस बच्चा बहुत सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. फाइन. एंड हमें आपकी नीड्स एंड इंटरेस्ट हमें भी ये ध्यान में लेना चाहिए. फाइन. देन डेवलप हिज पर्सनालिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पावर्स टू अचीव द फुल एंड कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट. For the complete development means personality level. Okay, as we have earlier discussed also, कि personality level also should be developed as a part of internal as well as external features, है ना. मतलब बच्चे का स्थान ऐसा होना चाहिए as per श्री अरबिंदो घोष philosophy. Now, what will be the place of teacher? Okay, टीचर का प्लेस कैसा होना चाहिए, he should be or she should be helper and guide, है ना. whenever you need some guidance, whenever you need some assistance, whenever you need some help, है ना, so at that time we need to also give some help to the child. Okay, we need to also give some guidance to the child. Then his business is to suggest, means every time we need to also give some suggestion. बच्चा ऐसा नहीं करना है, बच्चा आपको ऐसा करना है. Fine. So at the time we need to also give some suggestions to you. Okay. Then he also shows him how to perfect his instrument of knowledge. बच्चे का नॉलेज कैसा है, उसकी एबिलिटी कैसी है ना, हाउ ही इज गोइंग टू हाउ ही इज गोइंग ऑन अ परफेक्ट मैनर, है ना, whether he is also going on a incorrect direction or correct direction. So at the time we can also give them lots of suggestions. Okay, and guidance also helps him and encourages him in the process level also. Okay, when the child is going to learn, then at that time we should also give some encouragement, है ना, कि in the second semester, if you are going in the second semester, if you will be also going for the lesson presentation. Okay, obviously अगर आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो, so at that time as a teacher, है ना, we will not be saying that कि yes ये आपका बहुत गलत था, कि आपको नहीं करना चाहिए था, something like that. We will not be speaking like that. Okay, but at that time we will be speaking like that, बेटा आपको ऐसा करना था, इसके बदले आपको ऐसा करना था. Means whatever the negative feedback also would be there, but we should also share that particular negative feedback in a positive manner, है ना, कि अगर आप ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिख रहे हो तो इसमें आपकी ये मिस्टेक थी, तो मतलब ये मिस्टेक अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं होनी चाहिए, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो एट दैट टाइम है ना, आपका स्पीकिंग बिहेवियर, आपका एटीट्यूड, वो भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि एज अ टीचर कि आप अगर फीडबैक भी शेयर कर रहे हो तो इट शुड बी इन अ पॉजिटिव मैनर. Fine. So at that time the encouragement would be also there. Okay, and he shows him how to acquire the knowledge that is within and where it lies and how it can be habituated to rise to the surface. Okay, मतलब वो कैसा बच्चा कैसा knowledge acquire कर रहा है ना, कि whether he has chosen the correct way or not, something like that. So at that time you will be also providing some of the suggestions also. Fine. So this one is the place of the teacher. Now last one slide is also there as a part of this ashram school. As I already discussed with you, okay, as a part of this philosophy of Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, and he has started this ashram in Pondicherry. Now it becomes Puducherry. Now he has also started with this ashram school in 1943. He has opened this school, and particularly disciples, some of the शिष्यों, है ना, disciples means शिष्यों, वो भी वहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं. Then it includes primary to high school, and then it became the International Center of Education in 1952. Yes, keep in mind this one, 1952. Then as a part of this ashram school, अभी भी ये ashram school है, okay, and as a part of this ashram school there are 3 sections are there: nursery, middle and higher education. Higher and advanced center is also there. And as a part of this ashram school, there will be some of the departments are there irrespective of race, region, caste and nation wise also, कि हर एक नेशन का भी अलग अलग है, इवन हर एक रिलीजन का भी अलग अलग है, हर एक कास्ट के लिए भी अलग अलग है. So as a part of this ashram school everything is available, and at present you can see that at present 150 teachers are there and 750 students are also available in that particular ashram school. And mainly because he has started, so mainly as we have said that yes, obviously meditation, yoga and everything he has focused on this. So as a part of these one, every day they do some prayer and meditation also, and due to this meditation the physical growth is also there, and as a part of this physical growth they are also providing some of the simple nutritional food also. Some of the exercises and games they also do every day, and Vedas is also blended with modern ideas of unity, है ना, वो कुछ Vedas पे भी बहुत focus करते हैं. And last one is that provide integrated education. Integrated education, as you know that if you have heard about this integrated education, है ना, कि B.Ed M.Ed भी कई जगह पे अगर आपने देखा हो तो B.Ed M.Ed कोर्स इज ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स, है ना, कि पूरे 5 साल का या फिर 4 साल का इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स भी कई जगह पे चल रहा है कि B.Ed M.Ed बोथ, है ना. अगर आपने एक बार एडमिशन ले लिया तो B.Ed M.Ed बोथ डिग्रीज वुड बी देयर, है ना, कि इंटीग्रेटेड एजुकेशन इज ऑल्सो देयर. कई जगह पे अगर आपने ऑब्जर्व किया हो तो कई जगह पे B.Com B.Ed करके भी इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स चल रहा है, कई जगह पे B.Sc B.Ed करके भी इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स चल रहा है. सो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स right now it is also going on, and as a part of this ashram school this type of integrated education is also provided. Okay, so this was the philosophy of the Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, and we have seen so many things: methods of teaching, then place of teacher, place of child, methods of teaching various types of subjects, which is also going on as a part of different stages of education, curriculum also, and we have also seen some general philosophy of education and brief life sketch of Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Okay, so I think it is enough now for today. If you are having any question or any doubt regarding this one, you may also share with me. Yes. If you want to ask anything, then you may also ask, because see, this one today is my last lecture. अब इसके बाद इस सब्जेक्ट में मैं नहीं आऊंगी. Fine. With this one, my syllabus, my portion is over. Okay. So if you want to ask anything, you may ask. Yes. Anyone? Yes, students.
मैम इंटरनल के रिजल्ट कब अनाउंस किए जाएंगे?
हाँ, वो बेटा आपको बोला जाएगा, वो अनाउंस किया जाएगा ना, तब आपको बोला जाएगा, क्योंकि हर एक सब्जेक्ट का एक साथ ही अनाउंस होगा, है ना. अभी कई सब्जेक्ट की तो एग्जाम भी बाकी है. फाइन. एंड इवन स्टिल असेसमेंट इज आल्सो गोइंग ऑन.
लास्ट एग्जाम का हमें आ गया था, मेल आ गया था हमें मार्क्स का.
फाइन.
ICT का.
हाँ, आईसीटी का आ गया था, बट आईसीटी का आपको रिजल्ट मिल गया?
हाँ, मेल आ गया था मैम.
हाँ मैम, बाकी सारी भी एग्जाम जो हो
Fine.
चुके हैं उनका
मतलब
भी मिल
हमारा अभी असेसमेंट चल रहा है बेटा. अभी परसों ही हुआ है, सो हमारा अभी असेसमेंट चल रहा है. देन वी विल आल्सो अनाउंस यू, है ना, एज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप आल्सो. फाइन. इज देयर एनीथिंग रिगार्डिंग एनी क्वेश्चन अप टू दिस वन?
बता सकते हो और अरविंदो की स्पेशल स्टोरी हो कोई, हमें ना पता हो, आपने पूरा रीड किया और आपको कोई स्टोरी शेयर करनी हो उसके रिलेटेड, हार्ट टचिंग अबाउट औरोबिंदो, क्योंकि हमने औरोबिंदो का इतना नहीं पढ़ा है. गांधी जी और विवेकानंद का पढ़ा था तो थोड़ा बहुत पता था, बट औरोबिंदो के बारे में स्टोरीज नहीं पता था. आप कोई बता सकते हो स्टोरी?
सी नेक्स्ट टाइम, सी अभी तो हमारा वैसे भी ऑलरेडी टाइम भी खत्म हो चुका है, एंड सर विल बी ऑल्सो वेटिंग फॉर यू, एंड इवन हमारी अभी मीटिंग भी चल रही है एग्जैक्टली. बट मेरा क्लास था अभी, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव नॉट अटेंडेड. बट ऑब्वियसली इफ आई सर्चिंग सम ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस श्री अरबिंदो, डेफिनेटली आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ यू, है ना, एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ऑल्सो, ऑब्वियसली. बट राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट हैविंग दैट पर्टिकुलर लिस्ट ऑफ दी स्टोरीज ऑल्सो which I know. And right now I also forgotten for the stories of this Sri Aurobindo, क्योंकि बहुत सारी स्टोरीज भी है श्री अरबिंदो की भी, और उन्होंने बहुत सारा योगा मेडिटेशन पर भी बहुत फोकस किया है. फाइन. सो मतलब हमारे एज अ पार्ट ऑफ सिलेबस, है ना, तो हमें बेसिकली मेथड्स ऑफ टीचिंग, करिकुलम एंड ब्रीफ लाइफ स्केच एंड हाउ इट इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन डे टू डे लाइफ, ऐसा ही हमें मेनली फोकस करना है. सो आई हैव ऑल्सो मेंशन एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस PPT presentation also, but definitely yes Mariam, I'll be also sharing with you some of these stories also. Fine.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
और कुछ पूछना है बेटा?
नो मैम.
Fine. So I'm also downloading your attendance sheet. Okay. Okay, fine. So I have also taken your attendance. Yes, with this one, my syllabus is over, particularly my portion as a part of this 11-19. अभी next time से लता मैडम लेगी. Then she will be also completing her philosophy. उनकी कुछ नवी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की है, वो भी कंप्लीट कर देगी नेक्स्ट टाइम, देख लेना. सो अभी हमारी जो एग्जाम हो चुकी है, वी विल बी ऑल्सो शेयरिंग विथ यू योर असेसमेंट लेवल, योर वैल्यूएशन लेवल की क्या है आपका ग्रेड्स वगैरह, और वो सब हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. और जो भी होगा मतलब एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में भी, कि फाइनल एग्जाम हाउ वी विल कंडक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, है ना, वो भी मोस्टली तो ऑनलाइन ही होगा और बेसिकली एमसीक्यू बेस ही होगा. फाइन. सो आई बी ऑल्सो शेयरिंग विथ यू दीज 2 PPTs ऑल्सो, कि जो मैंने 2 टॉपिक एग्जाम के बाद पढ़ाए हैं वो भी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. फाइन. अगर मरियम आप मुझे आपका व्हाट्सएप नंबर और वो सब दे दोगे तो आई बी ऑल्सो शेयरिंग विथ यू.
ओके मैम.
फाइन. सो यू मे ऑल्सो. हाँ, मैं B.Ed फर्स्ट ग्रुप में हूँ.
ओके मैम.
है ना, तो आप मुझे सेपरेटली मैसेज कर देना. आई विल बी ऑल्सो शेयरिंग विथ यू दीज 2 PPTs, so you can also go through that and you will be also getting some idea. Fine?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, now you may leave the meeting. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.